In the quiet of the night, I feel the weight. A love once pure, now turned to fate. 1,000 promises, all torn apart. Now I'm left with just a bleeding heart. In twilight's embrace, where shadows dance, a heart bleeds whispers, a soul's lamented trance. Through echoes of sorrow, silent plea, a bleeding soul longing to be free. Yet through the pain, I'll rise once more, find the strength to close that door. For every tear, there's a new start, healing the wounds of this bleeding heart. Eyes that once held starlit skies, now dim with grief, their sparkle dies. And from the depths of sorrow's art will rise a fierce and fearless heart. The bleed the sky on one prize man's vague. Beneath the sky, hopes and sorrows cling. Through soft laments then, in mournful grace they part. An elegy, the tale of a bleeding heart. In shadows deep, the tears depart. Where dreams begin to break. Through soft laments, the blooms will part. In mournful grace they'll weave the tale of a bleeding heart. In dew-kissed morns and twilight's yawn unfolds woes, a heart that bleeds from dusk till dawn's woe rose. Oh. Through soft laments, the blooms will part, and mournful grace they'll weave the tale of a bleeding heart, a soul that dares to breathe.